Oh, you want more? Here's some more lentils. Tatum, do you want to see your friend Jillian's birthday party invitation? What do you think? Tatum, do you see her? Tatum, do you see Jillian? Look at Jillian. You dropped a lentil. You're just too focused on eating right now? Are you feeding the dogs? Puppies! Puppies! There's Obby. There's Kingston. Aren't you the cutest thing? How do you ask for more? Oh, very good. Very good girl. Here's some more. Oh, excuse you.